People embark on wellness vacations for a multitude of reasons. For some, it's an opportunity to escape the stresses of daily life and recharge in a tranquil environment. For others, it's a chance to explore new wellness practices, from yoga and meditation to holistic healing therapies. No matter the reason, one thing's for certain: a wellness vacation provides the space and time to prioritize self-care and reconnect with oneself. Your choice of destination is a huge factor in fully immersing yourself in this kind of experience. Ideally, you want to spend your wellness vacation in a place that offers plenty of serene and picturesque locations, wellness facilities and services, and activities that can improve your physical and mental health. With their abundance of nature retreats and beaches, it's no surprise that people flock to countries like Thailand, Indonesia, and Maldives to get some much-needed rest and relaxation. Apart from these destinations, however, Singapore is another option that makes for an excellent choice for wellness travelers. Even though this Southeast Asian nation may not immediately spring to mind, the vibrant city-state of Singapore offers a compelling blend of modern sophistication and ancient traditions. This makes Singapore an ideal destination for those seeking a wellness retreat with a touch of urban allure. So in this video, we'll have a look at some reasons why Singapore is the perfect destination for your next wellness adventure. Secure, safe, and clean environment. As one of the safest cities in the world, Singapore's streets, public spaces, and facilities are meticulously maintained. The city-state's stringent safety measures, efficient law enforcement, and low crime rates ensure that you can explore and enjoy the city with confidence, giving you peace of mind and a sense of security throughout your stay. Apart from being a safe destination, Singapore is also known for its high standards of cleanliness and commitment to maintaining a safe, hygienic environment. The island's strict regulations ensure that littering, pollution, and other environmental hazards are kept to a minimum, making the overall atmosphere more conducive to relaxation and rejuvenation. Excellent accommodations. Singapore offers a plethora of excellent accommodations that cater to the needs of wellness travelers, as well as those who seek a quick respite from their hectic schedules. For instance, if you want to get the ultimate experience, you can stay at a spa resort that offers impeccable services, opulent rooms, and exquisite wellness facilities such as luxury spas, grand pools, and state-of-the-art fitness centers. However, if you're looking for a quick getaway during your stopover, book a room at the Singapore Changi Airport Hotel so that you can relax, rejuvenate, and be refreshed in one of the hotel's smartly designed and adaptable spaces. Singapore's excellent accommodations cater to the diverse needs and preferences of wellness travelers, providing a range of options to suit every taste and budget. World-class wellness facilities. Singapore boasts an array of world-class wellness facilities that provide a comprehensive range of treatments, activities, and experiences that promote physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Thanks to this wealth of offerings, you can create your own Singapore wellness journey that's tailored to your needs and preferences. You can indulge in traditional massages, therapeutic body treatments, and rejuvenating facials at some of the city's top-rated spas. If you're interested in a unique wellness experience, Singapore offers a wide range of holistic healing practices from around the world. From acupuncture and traditional Chinese medicine to Ayurveda and energy healing, you can explore alternative therapies that promote balance, harmony, and overall well-being. Wellness events, workshops, and classes. You can find an array of wellness events, workshops, and classes in Singapore that provide opportunities to deepen your understanding of holistic living, cultivate new skills, and connect with like-minded individuals. Are you a yoga enthusiast? Then visit one of the many yoga studios in the city and sign up for a class that matches your skill level. Looking to enhance your meditation sessions while you're in Singapore? Then join a class at any of the meditation centers and let an experienced practitioner teach you new techniques. Singapore also hosts wellness expos and festivals throughout the year, bringing together enthusiasts, experts, and brands from around the world. These events offer a platform for education, exploration, and inspiration, with workshops, talks, demonstrations, and exhibitor booths showcasing the latest trends in the wellness industry. With Singapore's vibrant wellness scene, you have the opportunity to learn, grow, and connect in the realm of holistic living. Plenty of green spaces and parks. Despite being a bustling urban metropolis, Singapore is home to an abundance of greenery, with parks, gardens, and nature reserves scattered throughout the city-state. One of the Lion City's most iconic green spaces is the Singapore Botanic Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that spans 82 hectares and boasts a stunning collection of tropical flora and fauna. Here you can stroll along tranquil pathways, admire colorful orchids in the National Orchid Garden, and even enjoy a picnic amidst the lush greenery. Another destination nature lovers must visit is McRitchie Reservoir. As Singapore's oldest and largest reservoir, it offers a variety of ways you can explore its lush environment. You can rent a kayak and let the tranquil waters take you on a serene journey around the reservoir park. You can also take an exciting adventure through any one of the reservoir's trails and take in the beauty of nature with every step. Singapore might not be people's first choice when they're looking for a destination to spend their wellness vacation. However, as this video has proven, this modern city-state offers a wide range of experiences, activities, and places that promote one's overall good health and peace of mind.